Got a quick little video today on how to wire up a Rima RS31G sawmill. It's been a while since I assembled my sawmill, so I don't know how much I'm going to talk in this video because I don't remember everything. I do have the basically useless motorized lift on mine and the electric start, so if you don't have those things, it's going to be a bit different for your wiring. So a lot of it's really straightforward, like A to A. Over here we got C to C, B to B. So you probably already understood that. And over here on the right side, coming off the battery, we got this wire. Then that comes around over to here. And I think this blue wire, connects to the red side of the battery. Not sure. The big question people have, and I had as well, is what you do with this blue wire. The instructions don't say, at least it didn't. So this is a ground wire. So this is going to connect to the frame of your sawmill. So in my case, I just mounted the blue wire onto here. You could put it like here, somewhere where it's making good contact with the metal. Yeah, and the rest of it I think is pretty straightforward. I don't remember all of this really, what was going on here. But that's what I got there. If you have any questions, let me know. Maybe I can help you. Maybe not, but hopefully this helps you wire up your sawmill. So yeah. I don't really know what else to tell you because I don't remember too much. But the big one is what you do with this blue wire. Hook it up to the frame of your sawmill. Good luck.